osebedoka nini shy away from biro kana mogikani kechuluo na okubera hinya lakini osemi an opportunity ma sharpen my skills Adam anakwayo nini jowete na ni we can do better by this country wanyama continue nikech this democratic responsibility ends squarely on our shoulders to kwa we ongengat moro ma the biro liberatwa momi yoni onegwa team our best mondo protect our democratic space wamanya wa rights wa continue fighting for the betterment of this country lakini ngeyoni political problems they deserve political solutions. Onegwa chiu Raymond wa vie for these positions wa present ourselves a national table kata weekend mabiro ni wada ni adhiti morali moro gi young people Nairobi kamondo wa popularize chama wa sell ideologies mwa stand go kata ada nini beg viongozi wetenaka ni timuru mago the corners you're in mondo wa strengthen democracy ni kechmbeleka odubedo a partnership between the expertise of the old and the vim and vigor of the young people. So nyaka was start strengthening ourselves and indicate aneno change is coming. We're in the middle of a revolutionary moment to okwanya bedo unprepared 2027 and ripe kabisa mondo telo of the right hands nikechukua timo the same mistake ma Kenya not timo 2022 nikechwa da we praise and worship wada wacho mtukufu rais wada sijui cheap favors Wadhi tero this country into ruin, serious ruin.
Faith, wach mari mogik minyalo godo jo winjo ma winji.